Hello everyone, I am Suman Roy and welcome back to my channel. So today's topic of discussion is how will be your future spouse. The nature and characteristic of your future spouse, we will discuss about that briefly. Okay, this is my first video in English because many of my visitors requested me, so here I am. And yes, of course, if you are new to my channel, then please consider subscribe and also hit the like button, comment below and also share the video with all the astrology lovers. Okay, and if you want to take any personal consultation from me, then you can mail me, and all the details you will find into the description section. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's discuss. So first, open your natal chart and check where your 7th lord is placed in that chart, and also check in which sign it is placed specially. Example, suppose your 7th lord is Jupiter and it is placed in the 2nd house. Now check the sign of the 2nd house. Is it Aries sign, Taurus sign, Gemini sign? Which sign? Suppose 2nd house is in Taurus sign, so your 7th lord placed in Taurus sign. Suppose if your 7th lord is placed in Aries sign, then your spouse will be kind of medium heighted person, sharp facial features with a very nice looking eyebrows, complexion wise some kind of reddish complexion, and loud voice that will attract many people towards them. Nature wise they will be kind of aggressive and impulsive as well, and some kind of temperamental issues will be there in the relationship. They will be freedom loving people, so in that case it is very important to give them a proper space in the particular relationship, then only your relationship will go smoothly. But otherwise your spouse will be very much caring towards you and very much protective spouse you will get. Okay, now if your 7th lord goes to the Taurus sign, then your spouse will be some kind of short heighted person, and there will be immense charm in their personality. They will be some kind of chubby people, but as well there will be lots of romance and love in that marriage relationship. They will be very much practical as well. They also love creativity, and they must be in some kind of creative work as well. They will be very good in finance management as well. Complexion wise, medium complexion. Okay, if your 7th lord goes to the Gemini sign, then height wise good height, complexion wise wittish complexion, but that will make them more charming and beautiful. Their eyes will be very beautiful and something special into their eyes. They will be nature wise very much intelligent people, skilled people. They love to communicate with other people, so they will be very much jolly and extrovert. Okay, they will be very much good looking and also look younger than their age. This is a very special thing, but some kind of duality will be present into their personality, so you have to take care about that. So if your 7th lord goes to the Cancer sign, then in that case height wise small to medium heighted person, but they will be very beautiful, and also complexion wise fair complexion. Their face will be kind of a round face with large eyes. Nature wise they will be kind of emotional person. They will not that much practical and kind of imaginative as well. There will be some mother-like quality or nourishment into your spouse, so there will be lots of nourishment, care into that marriage relationship. If your 7th lord goes to the Leo sign, then in that case look wise your spouse will be of a good height and also athletic body. Also some kind of ego issues will be there into that marriage relationship. Their personality will be very much charming personality, or I can say attractive personality. Okay, and their voice will be also very loud. They will be freedom lovers, so it is important to give them a proper space, but they will be very much caring towards you. but some kind of ego battles will be there into the relationship, so you have to take care about that. If your 7th lord goes to the Virgo sign, then in that case your spouse will be kind of medium heighted person, and they will be some kind of perfectionist and also very practical people. Their smile will be very much attractive, and some kind of X factor will be there into their smile. Okay. Complexion wise, medium complexion. They will be also some sort of clean freak person. Okay. They will be good in finance management, but lots of practicality will be there into the relationship that will somehow harm that marriage harmony. Okay. So you have to take care about that. If your 7th lord goes to the Libra sign, then your spouse will be height wise good height, complexion wise fair complexion, and slim people. They will be slim, not chubby. And they will be very beautiful, extrovert people. They love to interact with other people. They will also maintain balance between the personal and professional life. So marriage harmony will be there. They will be involved some kind of creative work or finance management related work. Now if your 7th lord goes to the Scorpio sign, then look wise your spouse will be kind of small to medium heighted person. Their face will be large, okay, but beautiful. They will be overall slim. Nature wise, they will be kind of mysterious nature, so it will be hard for you to understand them very quickly. So you have to work hard towards the relationship. Okay, they will not trust anybody very quickly. There will be lots of passion also into that marriage relationship. If your 7th lord goes to the Sagittarius sign, then your spouse height wise will be good height and also mature looking spouse. Complexion fair complexion and very much mature thinking, also kind of philosophical and religious natured. They will be freedom loving person and love adventures, travel. Okay. They will be very much caring towards you, protective towards you. They will respect their elders very much. They will give you many advice. So in that case, I will say follow their advices. Okay, then only you can get success very easily. If your 7th lord goes to the Capricorn sign, then your spouse will be very tall and but lack of charm into their look. Okay, they will be not very much charming and very much serious looking guy or serious looking woman. Okay. They will also look older than their age. Their skin will be kind of rough. They will be kind of very practical and workaholic people. That romance factor will be somehow missing into your marriage relationship. Complexion wise, medium to dark complexion, and they will be very slim. Okay, they will not that much chubby. Somehow you will feel that your spouse is not that much romantic towards you or kind of harsh towards you. You will feel that. Okay, if your 7th lord goes to the Aquarius sign, then your spouse will be of a good height and also athletic figure, complexion dark complexion, and also their personality will be attractive. That will attract many people towards them. They will be kind of extrovert people and love to interact with other people. They will be mentally matured, or there will be some kind of age gap into that relationship. They will look some kind of older than their actual age, but they will be very much independent natured person. Their thinking will be kind of modern and innovative rather than traditional thinking. Okay, if your 7th lord goes to the Pisces sign, then your spouse will be kind of small heighted but very beautiful spouse and kind of chubby. Okay, their eyes will be very large and some attractiveness into their eyes, into their face will be there. Complexion wise, fair complexion, and they will not that much practical people, you know, and kind of very much emotional or sensitive people. Your spouse will be kind of a daydreamer, okay? They will be kind of imaginative people. Practicality will not be there into their personality. They will be very much caring towards you, very much affectionate towards you, okay? So I have discussed about all the signs accordingly, and I hope you will get some kind of similarity regarding that sign, okay? So now I am ending today's topic of discussion. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.